Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the demon eye effect in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, go with your clip into Fusion. Now press shift and spacebar at the same time and search for tracker. Select tracker and press add. Now I add a point tracker by clicking this button, and I delete the IntelliTracker because you only got the point tracker in the free version. Then I drag the point tracker onto the left eye of my person and I press this button. So now it's getting tracked. Now you can check if the tracking was successful. So in my case the eye is tracked well, and if the eye is not tracked well in your case, then just try to track another different point or change the area of your tracker. Okay, so now I go into the node field and I select my media in one node. I press Ctrl and C and I click into the node field and I press Ctrl V. After I've done that, I add a polygon mask into the node field and I hit this left view button. Okay, and now I just press this little invert box. Then I zoom into my left view by pressing Ctrl and by scrolling with the mouse wheel, and I mask out the eye. Then I slightly increase the soft edge and I press right click onto the center X and center Y values. I go to connect to, then I hover over tracker 1 and I select the offset position. So now the mask is tracked onto my eye pupil, as you can see right here. Okay, now I need to find my mask, so it's right here. And I select all points of my mask by left clicking them and I drag the mask onto the eye. Then again I hit the invert box and I select my media in one node and I press shift and spacebar at the same time. I search for color corrector and I select color corrector, press add. Then I connect the color corrector node with the tracker 1 node and I select the color corrector node, and now I can change the color of my eye to my liking. So I go into the inspector and here in the color wheel you can change the color to your liking. So I change mine to green, and if you want you can also increase the saturation a little bit, and now it looks like this. So for better results, I recommend that you adjust the mask frame by frame. So I will do this now. I select my polygon 1 mask and I go to my first frame. And now I will adjust the mask frame by frame. Alright, and at the end he is closing his eyes. So I go one frame before he closes his eyes. So this should be this frame. I go to level and I create a keyframe. And I go one frame to the right. So now his eyes are closed and I decrease the level value to 0. Okay, so now I select my color corrector node and I press shift and spacebar at the same time. Search for soft glow, select soft glow, press add. And here you can play around with the gain value and the glow size value. Alright, now it looks like this. And now you can just redo this procedure for the second eye. So again, I add a tracker node. I track my second eye, I copy and paste my media in one node, I add a polygon mask, then I mask out my eye, I slightly increase the soft edge, then I connect the position with my tracker data, I reposition the mask, and I hit the invert box. I copy and paste my color corrector node, and I connect everything, and again I adjust the mask for every frame. And I copy and paste the soft glow node. So now it looks like this. And if you want to create more contrast between the eye colors and everything else, then just select your last tracker and press shift and spacebar at the same time. And I search for color corrector. I select color corrector, press add, and I decrease the saturation a little bit. And that's it. So I hope this video has helped you. If so, then leave a like or a sub to my channel. You can also visit my website and get some free presets. Or you can watch one of these two videos to learn more about Davinci Resolve. Okay, thanks for your attention and feedback and support. Stay creative and bye.